Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make easy, cheap, high protein, low calorie meal prep. You only need two ingredients for this super simple meal prep: chicken breasts and vegetables. I usually make 14 of these meals at once, so I use an oven and a large baking pan. But this recipe can definitely be adapted to an air fryer or stovetop. I went to Walmart and picked up 5 pounds of chicken breasts and 80 ounces of mixed vegetables. The chicken breast is $2.67 per pound, so 5 pounds is $13.38. The mixed vegetables cost $6.92. The total cost is $20.30. Divide that by 14, and each meal only costs $1.45. Each serving of vegetables is 60 calories, and there are 25 servings per bag, 1,500 calories in total. Divide that by 14, and that's 107 calories per meal. 4 ounces of chicken breast is 140 calories and 25 grams of protein. 5 pounds of chicken is 80 ounces. So 5 pounds of chicken breast has 2,800 calories and 500 grams of protein. Divide that by 14, and that's 200 calories and 36 grams of protein per meal. So you have 307 calories per meal with 36 grams of protein. This recipe is super adaptable, and you can add stuff to meet your needs. When I want to add calories, I find it super easy to add rice or scrambled eggs. Let's get started with the vegetables by preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Please note that oven temperatures and times may vary. At my old place, the oven ran really hot, so I had to reduce the cooking time for all of the stuff by a few minutes. The next step is completely optional, but I like to coat the bottom of the baking pan with this avocado oil spray. It really just prevents the vegetables from drying out and getting stuck to the bottom of the pan. This recipe still works just fine without it. Then I dump about half of the bag of frozen vegetables onto the pan and spread them out evenly. If you have a bigger pan or multiple pans, you can make the entire bag of vegetables all at once. You can season your vegetables with whatever you like. I choose salt, pepper, and garlic. Once the oven is done preheating, I just pop the vegetables in and let them roast for 23 minutes. These veggies are done, so now it's time to take them out and repeat the process with the second half of the bag. Oh yeah, look at those. Alright, so here are my vegetables, and now I'm going to transfer them to my meal prep containers while I wait for the pan to cool off so I can reuse it for the chicken. Watch me lay it out. Yeah. Hey girl, you like that? Like the lunch lady at school, you know? Tray after tray for these little gremlins. Alright, now it's time for the chicken. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Salmonella, delicious. You may need to flatten some of the thicker breasts, so you make sure that it cooks all the way through. You can definitely tell which chickens got the steroids and the good chest genetics.
That's quite big.
I like to season my chicken with Morton seasoning seasoning salt. But yeah, you can season it with whatever you like. I like to do the back and flip them all over. And then I season the top side.
So good and tasty.
All right, so chicken breasts are all seasoned, and now we just gotta wait for the oven to finish preheating. Once the oven is done preheating, just gonna pop the chicken in there for 25 minutes. All right, so the chicken's done. So we're just gonna take it out and let it rest for at least 10 minutes. And all we have to do is chop it up and put it in our meal prep containers. So now I have all my chicken, and I'm just gonna distribute it throughout my meal prep containers. Fuck you. After you have your meal prep all packaged up, I recommend throwing them in the freezer. Before eating them, you can thaw them in the fridge for a couple days, and then when you're ready to make them, just put them in the microwave for about 2 minutes. You can microwave them directly from the freezer, you're just gonna have to add a little bit of extra time. I also recommend adding some condiments. My favorites are G Hues because they only have like 5 to 10 calories per serving. Mustard and sriracha are also really good low-calorie options. And if you have the flexibility, you can also go with something like barbecue sauce, like Sweet Baby Ray's, Chick-fil-A sauce, and I've even used like teriyaki sauce. They all work great. This is a great base, and it really takes on the flavor of any condiment you put on it. I started making this meal prep 5 years ago in college when I just started working out. I didn't have time to cook throughout the week, so this was the cheapest and easiest way to get in a high protein and low calorie meal. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make easy, cheap, low protein. No! That's not what I wanted! I practiced so hard! Shit. I guess I'm not a professional. Hey guys, today I'm gonna.
Can you stop?
Hey, fuck, try it again. Hey guys, today I'm gonna. You can't start laughing. What the hell, man?
Sorry.
That's fucked up.